Thank you. Your Excellency, the former President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, our own father, President Olusegun Obasanjo, GC, FR, and Your Excellency, the former President of Nigeria, my own elder brother, President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan, GC, FR, and your dear wife, please allow me to adopt the protocol that has already been elaborately adopted. First, I'd like to thank the former president and the foundation for making this possible and keeping alive for us to continue to dialogue about our country and how our country will be better. To my mind, we are today here gathered again because it's an annual thing. I remember that I kick-started it in Bayelsa State when he started moving to the states. And today's topic is about democracy. I like to bring it home to Bayelsa State. Democracy has been well defined by President Obasanjo. And democracy is about the rule of law and is built on three pillars: the pillars of justice, equity, and fairness. And I believe that we have missed the road of democracy in Nigeria long ago. Because there is no justice where oil in Oluwade that gave this country an oil commercial producing country. Oluwade today is a shadow of itself. And all of us come to Abuja at the end of the month to come and share oil, money. I don't think that that's what democracy is all about. I don't believe that a local government that brings so much money to Nigeria, Southern Ijaw local government, where I invited President Obasanjo, who graciously came. For 60 years, they have no access to the headquarters of that local government. It is only recently that I have concluded a 630 meters long bridge to the headquarters of that local government. And so, to my mind, there is total injustice where I have just 8 local government areas. Some other states have 40 local government areas and above. And the resources from my state is used to share to those local government areas. And I have only 8. There is injustice. And whoever that becomes president, the injustice continues. The unfairness continues. Resources are expropriated. Today, there is gold in Zamfara and other places. And what do we experience? Insecurity. Most of the insecurity is also traced to the discovery of gold in that far north. And so, my dear leaders, my conclusion is that for democracy to thrive in Nigeria, there must be true federalism. I delivered a lecture in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, about a year ago on true federalism. And until Nigeria begins to practice federalism, we will have some pseudo-democratic, pseudo-autocratic, and sometimes even a tyrannical government in this country. However, I will still congratulate my elder brother, the former president, who has made this possible. And we must continue to judge so that at the end of the day, the country will be better for us all. Thank you, and God bless you all.